Hello YouTube, welcome to 2019. Starting my year out with doing an open house over here on Ateron Drive, checking out these nice homes in La Mesa. Beginning, walking through this home. Let's first ask, how's everything doing? How's our life going? We got some resolutions for 2019 that we want to talk about, where we want to begin and how we want to go. So it's very important that we stay tuned. This house, this guy lived in it and he happened to remodel it as he was leaving. So we're going to check out the things that he did throughout this home. Make it really, really nice. Walking up to the house, you can see that he did very well on redecorating its floor entrance. You got this carpet here to wipe your feet. You got a nice vinyl floor in here. Start up. It's about 1,400 square feet of pure luxuriness looking, on the market for $699. Nice new kitchen, updated appliances. What's cool about this property is that there used to be a wall that was built right here that he happened to knock down to give it an open feeling to those people. Now that chimney, whoever built this house, is really weird because I feel the chimney should be right there and the window should be right there, but whatever the case may be. Here we got the first room as soon as you walk into the house. Nice little small room, closets, so that's pretty cool. He didn't put anything in there yet, but once they buy the house they will. The wall though, look at the wall, look how smooth the wall is. Can't even see anything there. Look, it's so nice and well did. Yeah, that's right, I said did, not done. So it's a 4-bed, 2-bath house. Ooh, look at those knuckles. Look at that. You got a jacket closet here, full space. You know, broom closet right here. So let's take a look in this. You're like, oh, this closet's small. But guess what? Put your cleaning supplies in here. You're good to go. Or you can make shelves and put a shelf here, shelf here, shelf here, shelf there, and make it a towel closet. Do whatever you see fit. And then we take a left face, look into the new remodeled bathroom. Look at the floor, look at the floor, look at the floor. Okay, enough of that. Walking in, you know, you got your towel holder, you got your spigot styled water filter. Got a big mirror right there, that handsome devil still in it. That's right. You got a nice tub. At least again, now you got that matching this color. It's really good. Tub looks nice. Ooh, get you really, really wet. Put your soap there, do whatever you want with that. Build TV, you got your breaker box right there. Don't know who puts it there, but whatever. You got your furnace closet here to the left. Not too bad, not too bad. Then this right here used to be a big closet too, but they converted it and put cabinets here so you can do whatever you want. So this can be your towel area, whatever the case may be. As you see, there's adequate space for whatever you may do, whatever your needs prevail. You got your attic right there. Here's another room. They're very similar, same carpet. Carpet's not cheap carpet either, this is pretty good carpet. However, if you have dogs and animals, I feel like the fleas would be stuck in there, but you know, whatever. It's cool. Walk into the third bedroom. So you got these windows, you got the street view. The neighborhood's pretty quiet. Everyone in the neighborhood's pretty friendly. Not any problems. A lot of people have been coming into the open house, liking what they see. You got some nice fan air. And then when I come to the master bed, doesn't look that big, but you know, I'm pretty sure you can still fit a queen size bed there. Probably put your TV there, put a dresser on this side. And then you got this really big closet. Walk in here. You got a nice closet here. Just making our way through the master bath with this sliding door. Dope. You smell like shit. And you go to turn, like, oh, shut your mouth. You stink. Walk in, you still got the quartz countertop in here, matches the kitchen. And you got the spigot as well in here. Still got that nice mirror, some lovely lights that he installed. Got your stand-up shower right here. Look at that, talk about a shower right there. Great shower, great shower. So if you guys are liking the house tour, you know, in 5 minutes just went through the entire house, I need you to hit the like button right now. Take that moment before I go back into showing you the backyard. You know, nice, you know, gotta love California. We always get sunny days, but look at the clouds. Those clouds are very beautiful. They look mushy, mushy clouds. That's right, they got a pool back here with the original dive board because that dive board's grandfathered in and they can no longer have a dive board in their backyards. So this house gets a new dive board. You can't even renovate that dive board. It has to stay like that. But the pool, he added some touches to it and remodeled it a little bit, made it look a little bigger. Don't mind that, that's kind of ugly. Right there's your filter. You can build like a little barn shed over that so you can hide it. I was telling people they can build a patio deck that goes straight out across, and then they can build a slide that slides right down into the pool. Whatever you may see fit. You got this nice thing. It also add to your party areas too, because you know it's a pretty big backyard as well. See, you got that view. The seller said that they can cut this tree down so it opens up your view a lot more over there. And then you can see it's not bad. Not bad at all. Then we got the nice garage over here. So he has the washer and dryer in here, and whoever buys his house, we're gonna put a canopy right here. So that way it comes out further, so if it's raining, the clothes don't get wet. It's on a raised foundation, as you can tell by the vent. Right here, he's putting in a brand new sink when it's bought. It's kind of ugly. And like I said, a washer and dryer goes here. You got the garage door, a little ugly, but whatever. It's not the main thing in the house, but you can see there's enough for 2 cars in here. Make it a man cave. No, I'm just kidding, don't make it a man cave. Make it a workshop, do whatever you want. Make it a must. So guys, if you enjoyed the house tour, I really would like you guys to hit that subscribe button, because all of 2019, I'm gonna start investing in my houses right before I get out. So I have 6 months left. So that's gonna be great. I'm gonna teach lessons that I've learned, things that I have thought of, and how to better suit our needs out here. And then stay tuned for my businesses that I'm opening up. I'm open up my own real estate business in August with my partner Angelo. I'm going to be doing an interview with him later on. I'm going to do a interview with a British guy that will be on as well. He's going to start in real estate. Came from London, so he's going to let us know how he likes the market out here. So you really need to stay tuned, so I need you to hit the notification button as well. So that way when I post those videos, you guys can see, learn, adapt, and enjoy what I have started here. So we know the circle. You need to like, you need to share, you need to subscribe, notification that, hit that circle and send it to your friends. All right, Perkins out.